Hello everyone. Today we are going to see data types in Python. So we are going to see what are all the data types are available in Python. Basically, Python has two major types of data. First one is mutable data type. The another one is immutable data type. Here, what is mutable data type is the value can be changed. The mutable data type values can be changed. Whatever value is getting stored in the mutable data type now, we can change the value of the mutable data type. During the execution of the program, if we want to make any changes, what is assigned to the variable, you can do that. Then immutable data type, it is just opposite to the mutable data type. Immutable data type is not at all allowing you to change the value of the variable. So the values are not at all allowed to any changes. You can't change the value of the variable in the immutable data type. So there is a major difference between the difference between the data types in Python. So mutable and immutable data types are two major data types available in Python language. So now we are going to see some example of this data type. So in mutable data type means under this mutable data type we are having list, sets and dictionaries. So list will have the series of the items. Actually the list is on having series of numbers or strings, anything. The list can have a sequence of number or series of number, or it can be a serial. So if you want, you can make changes in any number or any value from the list. That is because it is coming under mutable data type. And then sets will also have a set of number or group of number or list of numbers. So you can change any number from any position of the set. Then dictionary. The dictionary having key value pairs. Actually, it's not like list and sets. List and sets, you can have single number or single values of any type. But in dictionary, we will have the combination of keys and values, key value pair. So dictionary, since dictionaries are coming under mutable data type, you can make changes in the value of any keys or any values. So we are having list, sets and dictionaries under this mutable data type. So you can change the value. Any value can be changed at any time from list, sets and dictionaries. Now we are going to see immutable data type. So under immutable data type, we are having tuples, numbers and strings. So the tuple means, tuple is like of list only. Tuple will have sequential sets of number or group of number. So you cannot change the value assigned to that tuple item. So at any cost, you can't change. You can't make any changes in the values. Once the values are assigned to the tuple item, you are not at all allowed to make changes in the values. So the tuple elements are not at all changeable. You cannot change the values of the tuples. Then numbers. The numbers are numerical data or numerical value. So once some numbers are assigned to some variable, so you cannot change that value. Then under numbers we will have signed and assigned integer, float and complex number, any type of number it can be. Then strings are again immutable. So some strings are assigned to some variable, means you can't change the value of the strings. The strings are basically nothing but a group of characters. Okay, a set of characters can form a string. So once you are assigning some value to some strings, means you cannot change the value of the string according to your wish. So under immutable data type, we are having tuples, numbers and strings. So basically we are having three types of immutable data type, not three data types, I'm sorry. We are having three types, three examples. Tuples, numbers and strings are examples of immutable data types. Okay, so that's all. Now we will see the remaining thing in the upcoming videos.